lost. We didn't even finish the video yet, but he's gone. He's not here no more. You fuck you talking about, dude? Fuck you talking about? I'm busting. We got shit to watch. I put something on my watch later list. It was pretty fire. Make sure y'all subscribe, like the video, and follow me on Instagram. Bam. Like this post. Bam. Let's get to the video. I don't hear no sound, y'all boys. It look like we on the stakeout right now. We at the stakeout. I don't hear no sound. I don't think we got sound, guys. I don't think we got sound. But it's alright. I could commentate over it. We don't need sound. I'll put a little music in the background on some gangster. I don't know. Should it be gangster? Pursuit, some type of pursuit music in the background. Cue now. Bam. Let's see what's going on. They said a BMW. Are BMW the fastest getaway cars, or am I just making shit up right now? Looks like he hitting the gas immediately, bruh. He already knew. Oh, there we got sound. Sound is back. Let's do it. Soon as they hit the gas. Now we all know, before I get started, because this man's already in traffic, we all know that BMW drivers are legit Mr. Cut Up Through Traffic drivers. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Out of all drivers, like, you might think Hellcats cut up. No. It's the BMWs. Those are the drivers that literally, even if their BMW is like 2003, they are driving it like it's a maniac, like it's a brand new car. And even if they got the brand new car, they're driving it like it's nobody else on the road. We know how them BMW drivers get down, so I expect them to get out of here really, really quick. No problems. No problems whatsoever. Let's see. I don't even see the BMW anymore. I think that's it, way down there. Y'all seen that? It just hit the corner. He lost him. Wait, no, that might be him right there. That might be him. No. I lost his ass too. I looked away for like 3 seconds. No way we lost him like that. No, wait, guys. That BMW got missing. I have no idea what happened. The police driver wasn't really driving like that quick anyways, but I need to review one more time. I'm gonna keep my eyes on this nigga to make sure he not getting away from me, the viewer. Okay, cut up to the left. He's hitting it. This police driver driving so slow, bro. What, do you got a trailer on the back? I think he got off. I think this is him way over here. Do you see where my cursor is? I think this is him way over here. I think he got off. Run that back. I think he got off really fast. Run that all the way back. Yeah. I think he just got missing and got off. And the police, because he's driving so slow, he got to be going 40. If you look very closely, I promise you, let's do the cursor where he's at. Boom. Boom. He hits this corner, and I swear I see some motioning over here. Because other than that, oh no, that might be him still. I don't know. But he's just taking so long. Drive faster, bruh. He might be up there. Oh, nope. Look, I got faked out by these, bruh.
Man, you stupid bitch.
He's not here. None of these 3 cars are him. I'm lost. Chad, what the fuck? We gotta figure out what happened, YouTube. I need y'all to do y'all due diligence. Y'all seen how fast that was. I literally can't even make this video longer than what it is. You've seen how fast it was. Where possibly could he have gone? I'm thinking he got off the exit. Like, we're lost. We didn't even finish the video yet, but he's gone. He's not here no more. Let's finish the video. I still don't see him. Like, everybody looks like regular pedestrians. Oh, this is the worst police officer ever, bro. He could have got off there. Damn. Bro, he's giving up, bro. Look how he driving, bro. He don't even know where to take his car no more. That boy stopped in the middle of the road. He is lost. That is a big L. I'm trying not to pause it because I don't even want to watch no more. That's a crazy L. I don't know where he went. I'm not gonna lie. It's just insane that it happened that quick, like a snap of the finger. He was gone. I think he got off on the first exit, if I'm not being mistaken. But bro, 23 seconds and he's gone. This guy, police officer, you might as well quit your job if you bro, like, it's one thing to chase somebody. If you're gonna put on a light, you thought he was gonna stop on 95? You thought he was just gonna pull over, bro? You're not even a state trooper, my boy. Fuck out of here, dude. That's sad though. He must have had one of the old patrol cars or some shit, bro. Because this shit that was actually kind of ridiculous. Just like, comment, let me know where you think he got off at, and subscribe right now. And don't forget, if this was GSPD, if this was Georgia State Patrol, they would have caught his ass in 10 seconds and turned him into a ham sandwich. And if you haven't seen that video, click the screen right now.